In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link FTMO to MT4. By the end, you'll have your FTMO trading account connected and ready to use inside MetaTrader 4, with all the key checks so you know everything's working correctly. First, make sure you have your FTMO login details ready. After you purchase a challenge or start a free trial, head to your FTMO client area and open account MetaTrader. There you'll find your login, which is your account number, your passwords, and the exact server name. FTMO provides two passwords, a main trading password, which lets you place and manage trades, and an investor password, which is read-only. For this setup, you'll use the main trading password. Keep these details handy and secure because you'll need all three, login, password, and server, to connect successfully. Next, download the FTMO version of MetaTrader 4. It's best to get MT4 directly from FTMO because their installer includes the correct server list. Install it on your computer or your mobile device, depending on where you plan to trade. Using the FTMO build helps avoid issues where the platform can't find the right servers. Now open MT4 on your computer. At the top left, click File, then choose Open an Account. In the window that appears, click the plus icon to add a new broker. Type FTMO in the search field and let MT4 scan for available servers. When the list populates, select the server name that matches exactly what you saw in your FTMO client area. This part is crucial. If the server doesn't match, the login will fail even if your username and password are correct. When prompted, choose Existing Trade Account. Enter your login, which is the FTMO account number, then paste in your main trading password. Double-check that the server you selected still matches your FTMO details. Small errors like an extra space or using the investor password are common causes of failed logins, so take a moment to verify each field before you click Login. To confirm you're connected, look for your account balance and symbols to load in the Market Watch and on the charts. In the bottom right corner of MT4, you should see green connection bars, and the status should show that you're connected. Your account will also appear in the navigator panel under Accounts. If you see messages like invalid account or no connection, revisit the server selection and password and ensure your internet connection is stable. That's it. With your details from FTMO, the FTMO MT4 download, and the correct server, you're now linked and ready to trade in MetaTrader 4.